can you be so arrogant and glib after everything that you've done?
And how can you be so brave and stupid to call a vampire arrogant and glib?
All right, let's start with the double pie turkey hurdler. What do you say?
What the hell? There is something seriously wrong with you. It matters and you know it.
She's beautiful. A lot like you in that department. She's also very complicated and...
It's not boring, Stefan. I'd love to hear more about your family. The truth is, Stefan, I don't really know that much about you, and I'd really love it if you would open up to me.
Dinner. Jeremy told me that chicken parmesan is one of your favorites, and I happen to be a good cook. Italian roots demand it.
Hey, I realized earlier I had no idea that your family was from Italy.
No? Last name Salvatore didn't do it for you?
Right. Duh.